How to delete your Exness account permanently. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see if it is possible to permanently close down your Exness account. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is on your web browser search for Exness Help Center, and once you do so you will see different links and sponsored ads. Those are all probable scams, so you just want to avoid those. All you want to do is find this link right here, get.exness.help. Just open this help center, and on the search bar you're going to search for close my account. And once you do that, you'll find different articles. You just have to scroll down a bit until you see your Exness account termination. Just click on it. So as you guys can see here, once you have created your account, there is no active way to delete your account. But what you can do is contact their help and email support. So you will just have to find this email right here, support@exness.com, and just click on this. You can just copy this, or you can just directly send them an email saying that you want to close your account. But you will have to include everything like your trading account number, support pin, and reason for termination. So just go ahead and email them all of your information, and they should be able to give you something that might help you with closing down your account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.